This is why you don't fuck around when a tornado is coming. Yeah, I'll show you why. You gotta... Let me clean out this freaking screen real quick. Look at that all debris, the freaking hail. Unbelievable. And as you hear the thunderstorms rolling in, that's quite significant, you know? And now I'm gonna show you guys what the front yard looks like and the back. Give me a second right here. Give me a second. Look at all that. I don't know if you can tell by the screen, sorry. Just look at that. Ooh, that's cold. Here's a better shot of it. And now we're going to go up front. Luckily, the power lines didn't break. Thank God for that. This is me heading out. See you guys later.